Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Gmail account and going straight to your Google account settings. Once there, open the Security tab and tap two-step verification to begin. This is where trusted devices are managed. Make sure your phone is nearby and unlocked, because Google will prompt you to confirm a sign-in. If you already have two-step set up with SMS or an authenticator, proceed to add a device or key. This shortens future logins while keeping security strong. Next, choose whether to add a physical security key or trust a specific device. Each option appears under two-step verification. If you pick a security key, insert or tap it when prompted and follow on-screen steps to register. If you trust a device, sign in on that device and select "Don't Ask Again" when prompted. Make sure to give the device a clear name so you can find it later. Once added, Google lists the device and applies the trusted status for future logins. Finally, confirm the trusted device shows up under your account's device list and test a login to ensure it works. This closes the setup loop. If you ever lose a device, revoke its access immediately from the same security page to prevent unauthorized entry. If signing in fails, make sure the device's date and time are correct and try re-registering the key or device. Incorrect clocks often break verification. Keep recovery options updated so you can regain access if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.